Hello everyone, welcome back to BFSC Fisheries online class. Today we will be talking about the JRF exam which everyone used to give for further studies like after BFSC we need to go to PG or research purpose something, then we have to give an exam that is JRF, and to know for this JRF we will study today about it, that what is JRF and the JRS syllabus, about its scholarship means how much scholarship JRS student gets, and about the ICR, that who is going to conduct this exam, about the book should we study, about the exam pattern and all. So let's begin with the topic. ICR or NTA, that is National Testing Agency, conducts this exam, that is JRF exam, and we get admission for the doctoral program, that is junior or senior research fellowship. Like if we are in PG, then we have to give senior research fellowship, and if we are in BFSC, then we have to give junior research fellowship. This is not a compulsory exam that everyone has to give, but it is only for those who are opting for further studies, like they are opting for research program, then only. So fellowship, what a postgraduate or the junior researchers get, that is for postgraduate they get INR is international currency, or we can say 15,000 rupees per month the JRF student gets, and another one is 10,000 per year for books and all, we get 10,000 rupee. This is contingent grant that we get. सो JRF एग्ज़ाम उन लोगों के लिए है जो कि UG के बाद PG करते हैं, और ये बहुत कंपलसरी एग्ज़ाम नहीं है, उनके लिए है जो फर्दर स्टडीज़ करते हैं या फिर रिसर्च में जाते हैं उनके लिए। तो उसके लिए ये एग्ज़ाम ICR और NTA हम लोग कह सकते हैं, जो कंडक्ट करते हैं एग्ज़ाम, नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी है। इसके लिए जो फेलोशिप है वो मिलता है 15,000 पर मंथ, और कुछ पैसे मिलते हैं बुक्स के लिए 10,000 पर ईयर। तो ये तो बात हुई कि वो एग्ज़ाम कौन कंडक्ट करता है और फेलोशिप क्या है। फिर ये जो कंडक्टिंग बॉडी है, पहले NTA या ICR हम लोग कह सकते हैं, ये हर फील्ड में होता है, चाहे वो एग्रीकल्चर हो, वेटनरी हो फील्ड, और अनदर elite science like BFSC or another field. Mode of examination will be online mode, and English are most important for all, we know it, and the exam duration will be 2 hours. Maximum marks for the pattern, like what pattern should be followed, is 120 marks for each, means like paper will be of 120 marks, and for correct answer we will get +1, and for incorrect we will be -0.25 will be deducted. And for this exam will be ICR, JRF और SRF एग्ज़ाम। सो हम लोग देखते हैं जो कंडक्टिंग बॉडी ICR या NTA कह सकते हैं, एग्रीकल्चर हो या कोई भी वेटनरी फील्ड हो या फिशरी साइंस हो, ये सारे लोग JRF देते हैं उनके फील्ड में, चाहे वो एग्रीकल्चर हो तो एग्रीकल्चर वाले JRF देते हैं, वेटनरी हो या फिर फिशरी साइंस। मोड ऑफ एग्ज़ामिनेशन की बात करें तो वो ऑनलाइन होता है, इंग्लिश मोस्टली इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है, हम लोग ये जानते हैं, तो इंग्लिश में ही वो एग्ज़ाम होगा, और 2 आवर्स का एग्ज़ाम होता है जिसमें 120 मार्क्स का वो पेपर आएगा, और करेक्ट आंसर के लिए +1 और -0.25 होते हैं इनकरेक्ट के लिए। हम लोग देखते हैं कि इसमें इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है। For this we have to know that we have to solve question bank, the most important thing is, and from many students I have seen that they mainly give like K.R. Ratna Kumar will be the best book for question bank purpose, and the main book we have to read is Handbook of Fisheries, the most important book for JRF exam, and learning is the best strategy to crack JRF, देन मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की बात अगर हम लोग करते हैं, मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सब्जेक्ट वाइज, लाइक सेक्शन विल बी डिवाइडेड section 1, section 2 and section 3. And for type of question, if we will see, then first is the GQ of the domain, whatever subject we are opting for. Then core subject, the main purpose is like 50 marks will be the core subject, whatever we are in that field. Like if we are in agriculture, then agriculture main questions will be there, or any other field like fisheries, then the core subject questions will be there for 50 marks. And then section 3 will be specialized subject, 50 marks. Three section will be divided. So this is about the marks distribution. Then minimum age limit for JRF exam will be 19 years. That is most important thing. And we have to get 60% in our BFSC degree program. Like we have to overall get more marks of OGPA, like 6 OGPA, greater than 6 OGPA we should be having. And for SC/ST it is less, like 50% marks and 5 OGPA. So this is about the marks we should have and the age limit. Let's talk about the syllabus that should we know for the JRF exam. And the important subject, like we have to read every books, every subject we have to give equal focus. And these are like fisheries resource management, aquaculture, fish processing technology, fish physiology or biochemistry, aquatic animal health management, fisheries extension, aquatic environment management, fish genetic breeding or biotechnology, fish nutrition and feed technology, fish economics. Sorry, by mistake it is written two times. And then fish engineering technology, and then fishery environment management. To know further for the syllabus for BFSC degree program, you can check my videos on my YouTube channel, and this is the main subject we have to learn about. And this was all. Like JRF exam is a PG degree program that we have to give to get into in PG, or like research purpose we have to follow this exam. And this is not a compulsory, but if we are getting further studies, then it will be okay for us only, because it is important to give exam. Then only we will get admission in the PG, and we will get best colleges for PG if we are cracking the JRF. And for JRF we should study all this, and the age limit we have known, and we are known, and about the marks we should have. So to study for the JRF, the main thing is to solve question bank, like K. Ratnakumar, many other question banks also we can solve, or we have to follow the syllabus, and then have to study handbook of fisheries. Thanks for watching. I wish you success for the JRF exam, those who are preparing for JRF exam, and all the best for the exam. Thanks for watching, and if you like this channel, then please do like and subscribe. And for more videos, do check my channel, and you will get the books you should study for the JRF exam and the syllabus for the BFSC degree program.